We're going to have a look at a frequency table, and we're going to see if we can interpret the information from this. Now, these questions are going to be a bit harder than the last examples because we're going to look at different things like finding a quarter of the votes and so on. So you're going to have to use your fraction knowledge as well to help you here. Now, the first thing I notice is, what is this frequency table about? There's no title. So that's one way you can make it better. We should always have a title for these tables. But I can see you've got a number of votes and we've got activities. So I'm guessing it's the favorite activities of maybe a year 4 class. But a title would help us here. Let's have a look at these questions. The first one is an add or sum question. So how many people voted in total? So I'm going to add the ones and then the tens. So you've got 9, add 0, add 7 is 16, add 4 is 20. Then I'm going to add that 10, so that's 30, and another 10, it's 40. So 40 people voted in total. So I'm going to use my fractions knowledge here and go, right, a quarter of the votes were, well, a quarter of 40 is 10, because 10 goes in 4 times. So it must be cinema. So a quarter of the votes were for the cinema. Must be something good on at that time. Right, 7 more people voted for something than something else. So let's have a look at this data and I can see, oh, look here, swimming and ice skating. 14, so that's 7 more. So 7 more people voted for ice skating. Make that box a little bit bigger. Than swimming. Bigger again. Swimming. Okay, so again, we are comparing data, we're finding the difference between data, and we're finding the sum of data. So try and use some of those ideas maybe you heard me mention so that you can interpret your own data on the next page by finding the sum, by comparing them and finding differences.